On the off chance that you're searching for stepn cost expectations figure for 2024, 2025, 2030 and need to know where the costs of stepn Jabber will go from here on out, we will investigate the previous costs of stepn Jibber and will figure out what specialists are talking about its future cost activities. Kindly remember that you really want to take this forecast and each and every expectation with the goal that this is just the idea of some market Jibber. Also, anticipating something so papaya is Jibber incomprehensible. However, we will make an honest Jabber. We should begin. As per the most recent information accumulated, the ongoing cost of stepn is Jabber $0.2725 and GMT is presently positioned #127 in the whole crypto biological system. The core supply of stepn is 1,367,824,700 Jibber with a market cap of $372,740,490. In the beyond 24 hours, the crypto has been diminished by 0.5% in its ongoing worth. Assuming we think about the ongoing business sector cap of the GMT with Jibber, you can see that the market cap is likewise down. Stepn is Jibber a difficult time jumping aboard with other crypto coins. The GMT is down to nearly 7.12 Jibber over the most recent 7 days. The coin is as yet showing taking a chance with Jibber portions for recent days. The coin could major areas of strength for have at the same time. We don't feel that it would a beneficial resource in present moment. stepn Jibber Number Cruncher is a free device that permits you to quickly assess the presentation of your GMT possessions by computing likely benefits and misfortunes in light of fluctuating business sector costs. Just enter the Jibber you have contributed, the purchasing cost, and the sell value, expense, and our GMT Number Cruncher will wrap up. We foresee future stepn cost expectations engaged by applying profound Jibber reasoning help specialized investigation on the past value information of stepn. We give our all to gather most extreme, authentic information for the GMT coin, which incorporate different boundaries like past value, stepn market cap, Jibber volume, and scarcely any more. Assuming that you are hoping to put resources into advanced digital Jibber of money and need great profit from your speculations, make a point to peruse our forecasts. stepn value Jibber synopsis. The negative cost expectation for stepn GMT in 2025 is $0.4472, with a possible high of Jabber $0.5266. Our stepn long-haul conjecture for 2050 proposes GMT, possibly Jibber somewhere in the range of $202.07 and $243.22. Jibber GMT is expected to arrive at a most extreme cost of $3.51 constantly 2030. The cost of 1 GMT would reach as high as 100 and Jibber $1.40 by 2040. The ongoing business sector cost of 1 Jibber is $0.2725. stepn value Jibber 2024. The cost of stepn is anticipated to reach at any rate worth of 0.3 Jibber $84 in 2024. The stepn cost could arrive at a most extreme Jibber of $0.3478, with a typical exchanging cost of $0.322 all through 2024. Jibber value Freedom 2025. Jibber to the figure and specialized examination. In 2025, the cost of stepn is supposed to reach at least value worth of $0.4472. The GMT cost can arrive at a most extreme value worth of $0.5266, with the typical worth of $0.4633 Jibber. GMT value Jibber for 2026. As per our profound specialized examination on past value information of GMT, in 2026 the cost of ointment is Jabber to reach at any rate level of $0.6835. The GMT cost can arrive at a most Jibber degree of $0.7949, with the typical exchanging cost of $0.7067. stepn GMT value Jibber 2027. The cost of stepn is anticipated to reach at any Jibber level of $1.01 in 2027. The stepn cost can arrive at a Jibber degree of $1.20, with the typical cost of $1.04 all through 2027. stepn value Jibber 2028. The cost of stepn is anticipated to reach at the very least worth of $1.45 Jibber in 2028. The stepn cost could arrive at a most extreme worth of $1.78 Jibber, with a typical exchanging cost of $1.51 all through 2028. stepn value Jibber 2029. As per our profound specialized Jibber on past value information of GMT, in 2029 the cost of stepn is determined to be at around a base worth of $2.01. The stepn value worth can arrive at a limit of $2.57, with a typical Jibber worth of $2.08 in USD. Jibber GMT value expectation 2030. Stepn cost is estimate to arrive at a most minimal Jibber degree of $2.98 in 2030. According to our Jibber, the GMT cost could arrive at a greatest conceivable degree of $3.51, with a typical figure cost of $3.09. Stepn value estimate 20 Jibber 1. Stepn cost is estimate to arrive at a most reduced papaya degree of 4 Jibber 38 cents in 2031. According to our discoveries, the GMT cost could arrive at a greatest conceivable degree of $5.26, with a Jabber estimate cost of $4.53. Jibber GMT value forecast 2032. The cost of one stepn is supposed to reach at least degree of $6.42 Jibber in 2032. The GMT cost can arrive at a most extreme degree of $7.70, with a Jibber cost of $6.65 all through 2032. Stepn value Jibber 2033. According to the figure cost and specialized examination, in 2033 the cost of stepn is freedom to reach at least degree of 9 Jabber 39 cents. The GMT cost can arrive at a most extreme degree of $11 Jibber cents, with the typical exchanging cost of $9.66. Jibber value estimate 2040. The reception and Jibber use instances of a cryptographic money are similarly crucial contemplations. Projects with functional applications and broad Jibber are bound to persevere over the long haul. According to the stepn cost figure for 2040, GMT is expected to arrive at a greatest value Jabber of $181.40 in 2040. The base Jibber cost of GMT coin in 2040 is supposed to be around $143.15 disappointment, while the typical cost of a stepn for 2040 is projected to be 100 Jibber $5.80. GMT value estimate for 20 Jibber. Long-haul forecast ought to be drawn closer with alert because of the innate Jibber in the digital money market. Jibber and remaining informed about the most recent improvements are key procedures for overseeing chances related with long-haul crypto speculations. According to our Jibber cost expectation, the year 2050 can end with a most extreme cost of $243.22, while the base value worth of a stepn can be around $202.07, with the coin disappointment at a Jibber cost of $215.20 approximately. Jibber value gauge facts. What is the Jibber cost today? Today's stepn GMT is exchanging at $0.2725 with the market cap of 372,740,490 Jibber. What Jibber does papaya cost in 2025? The cost of stepn will increment as additional financial Jibber engage in the task. In year 2025, stepn will be worth about a normal cost of Jabber 0.4633 applesauce. What is the eventual fate of Jibber? The Jibber fate of stepn is exceptionally subject to the general exhibition of the ointment business. With regards to putting resources into